If you're packing for a cruise, stop. Because several outfits you're planning to take might actually ruin your entire vacation. These clothing mistakes are the reason people end up uncomfortable, restricted, and sometimes even kicked out of venues on board. Intro. Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something cruise passengers rarely talk about: outfits you should never wear on a cruise in 2026. Cruise dress codes keep evolving, and this year, several clothing rules changed. So before you toss things into your suitcase, make sure none of these 13 mistakes are sneaking their way into your cruise wardrobe. Let's get into it. Number 13. High heels on deck. Now, lots of cruisers love dressing up in fancy heels for photos and formal dinners. But here's the thing. The floors on board can be slippery and cruise ships naturally move. High heels become a tripping hazard, and trust me, spraining your ankle on day one is not how you want your vacation to begin. If you want height, wear wedges or platform sandals. They're safer and more comfortable. Number 12. Cotton hoodies. Yes, hoodies are cozy, but cotton absorbs moisture, and cruise ships get humid, especially outdoors at night. If sea spray or mist touches it, that hoodie becomes heavy, stays wet, and suddenly you're cold. Instead, bring lightweight, cruise-friendly layers. Quick dry fabrics are your best friend. Number 11. Anything made of denim. Now, denim looks cool, but here's the problem. It gets hot during the day, heavy when wet, takes forever to dry, and uncomfortable on humid decks. Plus, some restaurants no longer allow distressed jeans during evening dining. Stick to smart casual or travel stretch fabrics instead. Number 10. White linen. Linen looks classy, but cruise buffets are dangerous territory. It stains easily, wrinkles fast, and sweat shows instantly in tropical heat. Cruise environments include sunscreen, pool drops, sun lotion, drinks, sauces. Linen becomes messy very quickly. Instead, go for wrinkle-resistant blends. Number 8. Brand new shoes. Brand new sneakers look nice walking onto the ship, but painful blisters on day 2, not fun. Cruises involve a lot more walking than people realize. Ports, excursions, deck strolling, and sometimes sandy beaches. Break them in first, before the cruise. Number 7. Heavy jackets. A lot of people bring thick jackets thinking nights get cold. But heavy coats take up space, and indoors you'll be dying from heat. Cruise temperatures are controlled and air-conditioned, but not freezing. Just bring one warm layer, maybe a fleece, and that's enough. Number 6. Bathrobes outside the cabin. Cruise ships are tightening dress rules this year, and walking around in a personal bathrobe isn't considered appropriate anymore. You'll get embarrassed looks, and crew may ask you to cover up. If you want comfort, just use a cover-up dress or oversized shirt. Number 6. Glitter dresses. Glitter looks stunning, but glitter sheds everywhere, especially on cruise carpets, which are difficult to clean. Some cruise lines actually discourage glitter clothing now because sparkles stick to sofas and dining fabrics. Choose sequins instead. They look just as glamorous without leaving a glitter trail behind. Number 5. Offensive slogan shirts. Cruises are family-friendly, and shirts with inappropriate or suggestive graphics might get you asked to change, especially on certain family cruise lines. Keep it clean and respectful. It's better than risking a confrontation or being refused entry into dining rooms. Number 4. Thick sweaters. Sweaters are warm but too bulky, and once you sweat in one, there's no escape. Cruise ships are humid, especially tropical destinations. Pack lightweight layers instead. Number 3. All black outfits in the sun. Black clothing absorbs heat, so wearing black outdoors under Caribbean sun basically turns you into a walking oven. Mix in light blues, greens, neutral, tan, beige. They match cruise fashion and keep you cool. Number 2. Flip-flops with no grip. Cheap flip-flops cause more injuries on cruises than almost any other item. Wet pool decks, tiled buffet floors, and slippery metal walkways make plastic flip-flops dangerous. Pack water shoes or sandals with traction. And number 1. Anything too tight. Tight clothing might be fashionable, but cruises involve eating buffets, sitting at shows, lounging, walking, heat, and humidity. You don't want clothing sticking, riding up, or digging into skin. Loose cruise clothing keeps you comfortable all day. Think breathable travel fabrics. Quick recap. Now let's quickly summarize what not to pack. Heels, hoodies, linen, denim, flip-flops, glitter, heavy layers, tight clothing. The best cruise outfits are breathable, flexible, easy to wash, and cooling in humidity. Outro. So now that you know which outfits to avoid in 2026, go ahead and enjoy a smoother, more comfortable cruise where nothing ruins your fun, not blistered feet, sticky outfits, or dress code embarrassment. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more cruise travel hacks, and comment below which item you were planning to pack before watching this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next cruise guide.